What if I told you that deep beneath the scorching sands of today's Sahara lies a hidden story of a lost people? A green paradise once teeming with rivers, lakes, and life. And from its depths, scientists have just uncovered DNA from a mysterious human lineage never seen before. Who are they? And what secrets do they hold about our ancient past? Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and join us on NotSoTechie as we uncover the truth behind the Green Sahara and the people who once called it home. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to NotSoTechie. We're dedicated to exploring the latest and greatest in technology and scientific breakthroughs. Our mission? To make the world of tech accessible to everyone by breaking down complex topics into straightforward, easy-to-understand videos. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for us. All right, let's jump into it. In today's episode, we're diving into the incredible discovery of ancient DNA from Libya's Takarkori rock shelter and what it tells us about a long-lost North African ancestry. We'll explore how a once lush Sahara nurtured early human communities, what this DNA tells us about their connections, or lack thereof, with other regions, and how this all fits into the big picture of human evolution. Here's a question. What if the Sahara wasn't always a desert? Between 14,500 and 5,000 years ago, the Sahara was alive. Rivers crisscrossed the landscape. Lakes dotted the plains. The period was called the African Humid Period, or AHP. More rainfall turned the region into a vibrant savanna, welcoming wildlife and, more importantly, early humans. This was when people began settling, herding animals, and thriving in a place we now associate with heat and dust. So where do we find the clues to this lost world? In the Takarkori Mountains of southwestern Libya lies the Takarkori rock shelter. Here, archaeologists discovered layers of human history stretching back more than 10,000 years. It was a hub for both late Ancestral hunter-gatherers and later pastoralist herders. Over 15 human burials have been found here, mostly women and children, dating from around 8,900 to 4,800 years ago. And from these burials came something extraordinary: ancient DNA. Despite the harsh desert preserving very little, scientists recovered genetic material from two women who lived 7,000 years ago. Ready for the mind-blowing part? These two individuals didn't just belong to a known group. Their genomes revealed something brand new, a previously unknown North African lineage. This lineage had split from other African populations a long time ago, even around the same time as humans began migrating out of Africa. But unlike other groups, it remained isolated for most of its history. A direct connection was also found to the 15,000-year-old Taforalt individuals in Morocco, associated with the Ibero-Mauritanian culture. That suggests deep roots across the North African region, but still little mixing with sub-Saharan populations. Did these ancient North Africans ever meet Neanderthals? Surprisingly, kind of. The Takarkori individuals had some Neanderthal ancestry, 10 times less than ancient farmers from Levant, but still more than modern sub-Saharan Africans. So, there were connections, but they were faint echoes, not full encounters. And as for pastoralism, it likely spread not by migrating people, but by the exchange of knowledge and culture. The genetic data shows minimal Levantine admixture, supporting the idea of cultural diffusion, not population replacement. Archaeology backs this up too. The tools and pottery show signs of both change and continuity. Let's talk mitochondria, or the mother line of our DNA. The two Takarkori individuals carried a rare mitochondrial DNA haplogroup, a deep branch of haplogroup N. This is one of the oldest lineages outside sub-Saharan Africa. That means these ancient people held on to a genetic signature that predates even many current human populations. But what does this mean for other ancient people in the region? Remember those Taforalt individuals in Morocco? Earlier models suggested their ancestry came from a mix of Levantine and sub-Saharan groups. But with the Takarkori data, researchers found a better match. Now, It looks like Taforalt ancestry was around 60% Levantine Natufian and 40% Takarkori-like. That's a big change in how we understand North African history. And finally, what do the big picture models tell us? Admixture graph modeling shows that 93% of Takarkori ancestry comes from this newly discovered North African population, one that branched off from other human lineages after out-of-Africa migrations. The remaining 7%? A deeply ancient Levantine source, likely responsible for the Neanderthal DNA. It's a stunning discovery that rewrites what we thought we knew about African and global prehistory. So what do we learn? That the Sahara wasn't always a desert, that a mysterious, long-isolated people once thrived there, and that their DNA tells a story no one saw coming. As scientists uncover more ancient genomes, our understanding of human ancestry will keep evolving, and we'll be here to break it down one fascinating discovery at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, give us a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to NotSoTechie for more mind-blowing science made simple. Until next time, stay curious